Greetings, welcome on my channel. Does AI exist? No, it doesn't. So you can close this video. Seriously, what actually AI is? What is the definition of it? First of all, it needs to be able to think, literally think. It needs to be insensible, not a person, like creature, yes, something like this. It's the first definition like of intelligent and artificial intelligence also. And secondly, it needs to feel. What do we have actually right now? As far as I understand it, it's just usual machine learning solutions. It's not AI at all. AI is just marketing or nothing else. Because it can't think, it can't feel, and as far as I know, such solutions have been existed for a while. There is nothing new, at least nothing revolutionary. But the thing is that before we hadn't had such powerful cheap clouds and so on, which we have now, for example. And sure, investitions like some companies like OpenAI and so on had invested a lot in such things, and this is why we have what we have: cheap clouds, available clouds, like yes, huge computations which like had been unachievable before, unimaginable. Now we have. So don't let marketing trick you. This is not about AI at all. It's not about intelligence at all. It's just a kind of yes machine learning solution, machine learning machine which just resembles, recompiles everything it has, but it can't reinvent the wheel. It can't invent something really new, something that it doesn't have. It's just a huge accumulation of all humanity knowledge, everything that humanity has achieved by the moment. It's cool, yes, but it's just not AI, really. There is nothing there I can call AI. Just yes, marketing, how it works, yes, to attract investitions, and that's all. That's it. The same about like we're gonna replace programmers and so on. It's also gonna be a next video, for example, on my channel. But yes, just don't be confused. It's just usual neural networks, and they had been existed much for longer, a while before all of such solutions as ChatGPT, for example, Gemini, Claude, whatever appeared. So now you know. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe on my channel, share this video with your friends, acquaintances, and hope to see you soon. Bye.